In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote customers on QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant helping manage a business's finances, knowing how to send quotes effectively is essential. QuickBooks makes it fairly straightforward and I'm excited to walk you through the process. So let's dive right in. To start off, open up QuickBooks and click on the Sign In button. This will bring you to the login page. Next, you're going to choose QuickBooks Online from the options provided. It's crucial to ensure you pick the right one so you can access the correct platform. Once you're there, go ahead and type in your credentials, make sure you have your username and password ready, and then click continue to log in. It's always a good practice to keep your login information secure and handy for occasions like this. Now that you're logged in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New. Click on that. This button is your starting point for creating various types of transactions in QuickBooks, including quotes. After that, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Estimate. Selecting this option is key because an estimate is essentially a quote that you send to customers, reflecting the potential cost of goods or services. With the estimate form open, you'll need to add the customer details. Enter the customer's name and email address. If it's a new customer, you might need to create a new entry, but if they're already in your database, simply select their name from the list. Email is particularly important here, as this is how you'll be sending them the quote. Next, set the estimate date as well as an expiration date. The estimate date will usually be today's date, while the expiration is the time frame within which the quote is valid. Providing an expiration date helps manage expectations and creates a sense of urgency for the customer. Now it's time to add the product or service you're quoting. You'll enter the description, quantity, rate, and amount. Ensure this information is accurate to avoid misunderstandings later. If necessary, you can also add any relevant attachments. This could include product images, contracts, or detailed descriptions that might help your customer better understand the quote. After entering all the necessary information, click on Save and Send. This action saves the estimate in your records and gets it ready to be sent to your customer. Before you send the estimate, you'll have a chance to add a subject and body to the email. Clearly state that it's a quote or an estimate and summarize its contents, so your customer knows what to expect. Finally, once you've reviewed everything and you're satisfied with how it looks, click Send. And just like that, you've successfully sent a quote to your customer through QuickBooks. Remember, estimates are non-posting transactions, meaning they don't affect your accounts until they're converted to invoices. This process keeps your records clean until an agreement is finalized. I hope this guide makes quoting on QuickBooks easy and efficient for you. Happy quoting!